We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC J6545 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace your ink cartridges. So if you're getting a replace ink or low ink warning, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. It's a really simple process. First thing you want to do is take a look at your display screen and figure out which inks need to be replaced. Once you know which colors need to be replaced, you're going to go to the right side of the front of the printer, and you're going to find this little finger notch with these two little droplets right over it. That's going to indicate that this is the cover for your ink cartridges. You're just going to put your fingers in that little finger notch, pull straight down out, and you're going to lower this cover all the way down. And you're going to see there's all four of your ink cartridges. And then you're going to find whichever color needs to be replaced. In this case, it's my yellow. So you're going to go over. There's going to be a tab at the top of the ink cartridge. You're just going to push straight down on that tab, and it's going to pop out enough so that you can grab it and pull the ink cartridge straight out of the printer. Really, really simple. Once you have your replacement ink cartridge, make sure it's unpacked, ready to use. You're just going to slide it into the printer, push it all the way until it clicks into place. You're going to repeat that process for any and all other ink cartridges that need to be replaced. Once you're done, you're going to go ahead and raise this front cover back up, make sure it clicks and is fully closed. You'll give the printer a minute or two to initialize and prepare those ink cartridges for use. Once the printer comes back to its normal ready state, you'll be good to go and back up and printing. If you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply those for you as well. We hope you have a great day in your backup and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.